Okay, hi. Thank you so much for you guys who did attend the webinar. It was really nice for me to speak about my ideas, about my creations, about my business. And what I'm going to do is just read through some of the questions so you guys can collectively hear. So it was VS Code, that was the software which I downloaded for free. So it stands for Visual Studio, and it's by Microsoft. The majority of you guys were total beginners, and we had a range of marketing experts to coaches to consultants, product managers. There was a whole range, and someone from Tunisia. But just going back, sorry, the program you showed, was it built with an agent AI? Do you have GitHub repo? So GitHub is something that can help you put your agent online. So at the moment, no, I didn't cover that in here. I do cover it in my program. And that's what I'm working on now, because I have people that want a copy for themselves, for their own businesses. So I'm using render.com and GitHub to make that happen, and it costs £7 a month. Like, ridiculous. Presentation, can you make it bigger please? So yeah, maybe you was talking there about the code in VS Code, so the Python language. Maybe that was too small to read. Apologies. Would you be able to share a template of Excel? Yeah, I'll send you one directly, seeing that you wrote so nicely and you gave your email address. Do you write the original Python code? No. If you go through my program, you will 100% understand how it's like riding a bike. It's not as difficult as you think once you're in the rabbit hole, but you have to get in it. If you look on my website, there's a comparison list of how you can get, or what's out there really, not how you can get this kind of information, what's available. And you've got a lot of strategy. Just, how you can apply this, maybe the logical thinking behind it, which is really important. But what I've done is kind of pulled the best bits out of what's available, or what I've done is produce something that I would have loved, something like this to just get me through it. It clicks. So yes, I don't want to harp on too long, but do book a discovery call, because I think it's good to have a conversation, because it's so readily accessible. I think the kids are going to get their hands on it, and then that's it. They're going to be making stuff that make whatever we do look like crap. So yeah, I do. I want some of the younger crowd on it. But yes, thank you for your time today. Thank you for listening to my very long video. I do hope to speak to you soon. Try and make it within the next couple of days, or next week. If you're busy, you're busy.